in the world of moto, there's a few father figures you'd probably think of, either Brian Deegan, Axel Hodges' dad, or that guy right there, James Stewart Sr., who you see everywhere with whatever team his kid at the time, his or whichever son is racing. Obviously now it's Malcolm, but whatever team they're on, he's in full kit, branded from head to toe. Well, the things I never thought I'd be talking about today. Not anything about racing, not anything about his son. No, it's about him being just a horrible human being at the Indianapolis round. Which, if you want to, I'm going to try and paraphrase this basically. If you want to stop and read the whole post from, what was the guy's name here? Cody Fox. I don't know who he is, couldn't tell you, but he was at the race and apparently saw this happen. Well, paraphrase or to cut it down, basically he was just a bad person. And you got to say this. One, I know if you're semi-famous or however you want to say it, if you put yourself into the public light, you're going to get asked for photos, you're going to get that kind of attention. And yes, I understand it probably gets asked a million times a day. Every time you go somewhere, especially at a race, you're going to get asked a ton more because people are there and they're interested in it. So I'm going to benefit of the doubt. I would be very annoyed being asked for photos all the time just because you have to stop and constantly do it, whatever. Well, apparently a fan asked him for a photo, and instead of just saying no, sorry, watching the race after or whatever, no, he apparently blew up on this guy, started screaming at him, yelling at him, and one of the Rockstar Husqvarna racing team members, or whoever was with him, actually had to get in between the two and ask the guy not to post anything about this on social media. That's pretty bad. That you're one making your son's team look bad because you're probably walking around like in full kit, and then somebody from the team has to go up to a random fan and say, "Hey, I'm sorry, can you not post anything about this because bad PR." So one thing a night, maybe fine, whatever. But then later in the night, apparently he stole the seat from some kid and then ended up yelling at his dad because, the dad obviously paid for that seat. I'm assuming Stewart Sr. probably doesn't pay to get into these races. He's in with the team. I highly doubt he's buying a ticket, let's be honest here. So if you're going to take the seat of some little kid and then yell at the parent because he tells you, hey, we paid for these seats, don't take my kid's seat, especially like I don't know. I don't think it says anywhere in there how old the kids were, whatever. And I'm not going to look for pictures of them because that's not a thing. I'm not going to put pictures of some kid on the internet. But it's one of those things. It's just, I cannot believe that somebody who's been around the sport for so long, obviously with how long Malcolm's been racing, and then obviously with how long James was racing before that, that you can't, I don't know, command your emotions better or just be a better person. Like, if you're going to come to these races, like I said, he's getting into these for free. He's with the team. He's not paying for tickets and paying for seats. And you're gonna end up one yelling at fans who want to take a picture with you, two taking some kid's seat, and then like if you read the whole thing, it's kind of funny, standing behind him and just whatever. It looks really bad for him, for his for the team, and it's just like why would this need to be? Why would this not be a thing? Obviously, this year has not been going very well for Malcolm, but as the dad, are you really going to be like, you're going to project that onto other people? I don't know. To me, I would never go up and ask them for a picture. I wouldn't do that with pretty much anyone I see because it's just not something I care about. But it's just overall as a bad situation for him, the team, his kid probably going to get, or like Malcolm's going to get asked about it. I'm assuming, and it looks bad. I don't know. In the comments below, you guys tell me. Have you ever met him? Because I've never met any of the Stewarts. Um, do you like him? Could you care less? Are you fans of the family, the team? I don't know. Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.